Meaning of dispel.
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 Dispel. The word dispel means to make something, such as a doubt, feeling, or belief, disappear or vanish. When something is dispelled, it is removed or eliminated completely. This can be done through the use of reason, evidence, or proof. For example, if someone has a fear of flying, hearing statistics about the safety of air travel may help to dispel their fear. Ultimately, when something is dispelled, it is no longer present or affecting the situation, and clarity and understanding are gained.